Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art. Let's draw Tahu from the Bionicles. So let's get started with a quick sketch and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his eye area first. So we're going to start right in the middle, in between. Just going to draw like a little curve like this. And then on each side we're going to go up, just kind of curve it around. So it's kind of like a mean brow. And then from there we can draw in the, the eyeball. Just come on the edge and just come back in. It's almost like two little football shapes. Okay, and then once we have that, we're gonna come down and draw his mouth. So it's just gonna be one big egg shape here. So just come down and let's draw one big oval. And it's pretty big. And then once we have that, now we can draw in the rest of the face. So come to the side here, just gonna draw a little curve going down from here all the way past the mouth. So this is gonna be the side of the head. And then on the bottom here, just gonna be one line across. And then on the top, we're gonna give it a little bit of curve going from side to side. Alright, so that's gonna be the face shape. And then since we're up here, let's just finish up this area right here. I'm just gonna draw another curve. Just like a little opening right here. And then on the bottom, I'm just gonna draw one line across. And then now for the detail on the face, we're gonna continue with this line here. Just gonna slant it down and out. Alright, and then once we have that, come back to the middle here. Just draw two lines around the mouth area. And then from this corner, just go up into the side. And then the bottom here, just gonna slant out. Alright, and then there's a little bit of a kind of like grid right here, so I'm just gonna draw one. So just draw two lines going out. And then right here, I'm gonna draw one line coming down. So this is actually seeing the back side of it. I know it's a little bit strange, but hopefully once I color this, we can see these shapes a little bit better. Alright, and then on the inside here, we're gonna draw one more. So this is actually, behind the mask. Just draw two lines going down. Okay, so that's the head, and let's move on to the body. So the body's pretty simple. We're gonna start on the side right here. So just come down on the corner, just come down a little bit. I'm just gonna draw one line. So same thing here. And then from this 2 points here on the bottom, we're gonna draw one curve going around. So this is gonna be the upper body, the chest area. So just kind of come down and round it off on the bottom. And then from the bottom here, we're just gonna draw one big circle right in the center of the chest. Mine's a little bit wobbly. And then on the inside, I'm gonna draw one more. Okay, and then from here on the side here, just come out to the side of the circle. Just draw a curve going back to the corner there. So this is gonna be the full chest plate. And then now we can draw in the little neck area and the shoulder. So just come across right here. This is gonna be his body, shoulders. And then for his neck, keep it simple. Just draw two lines. And we can add a little bit of detail here. Just another little curve on the neck area. Alright, so that's the upper body, and for the waist area, it's really simple. Just draw two slants coming in. And then we'll close it off. And then on the inside here, I'm just gonna draw a couple of lines. And let's just go ahead and finish up the hip area right here. So we're just gonna extend this line. Come down on the side. And then come down the middle here. Let's draw one line across. And then whatever you have, just connect those. And for some details here, we can add a little rectangle. Alright, so that's the body, and now let's work on the arm. So let's start on this one right here. From this line here, I'm just gonna extend it out, come down, and then on this side right here, I'm gonna come out, just leave a little bit of space here and close it with a little bit of slant. Alright, and then in the middle here, just gonna draw a circle. And now let's finish up the arm. So this part is gonna be really skinny, the bicep area. Just gonna draw 2 lines, close it off. And then I'm gonna extend this line on the back. This lower arm, we're gonna come down, both sides, and just close it off. And then for some details in here, just draw 2 lines like this first, and then just go out into the sides. Alright, and then for his hand, it's really simple. Slant, slant, that's gonna be his thumb. So give it some thickness, we're gonna come across, go back up, and just slant it a little bit. Right, so that's his thumb, and then draw 1 line going down, and then here's the back. And now for the other fingers here, I'm just gonna draw maybe like 3 segments, or you can draw a curve, which will work too, and just connect that. And then on the inside here, we're gonna draw 1 little for the other fingers. Alright, so now let's draw in the other side, pretty much the same. Slant, come down a little bit, start in the middle here, go out, close it with a slant, and same thing here, little circle. Bicep, skinny, close it, and then extend this line here, and then we'll just come down, both sides, close it. Same detail here, just draw 2 lines, go into the sides. Alright, and then same thing here, angle, give it some thickness, come up, slant down this way, and now for the back. So same thing here, 1, 2, 3, it's a little bit of curve, and then just finish up the finger, and then same thing here, just a little bit of a hint of the other fingers. Alright, so let's draw his legs. His legs are pretty cool. I kind of like those mechanical designs on it. So let's start on this one here. It's gonna be really skinny again. This thigh area, just have it slant out. Close it. And then we'll extend it here, extend the line. Come down and just close it off. So it's almost like a rectangle, a little bit small on the bottom. Alright, so let's draw on the other side first before we draw in more details. So slant, use the other side for reference. Extend the line. The same thing here, just come in, slightly smaller on the bottom, close it off. Okay, and then for some details inside, I'm just gonna draw a circle, and then right here I'm just draw 2 lines. So circle and 2 lines. And then on the side here, we're gonna draw some of the hydraulics, which is kind of cool looking. So just come to the middle here. Just gonna draw like 2 little dome shapes on each side. Okay, and then for the rods here, I'm just gonna draw 2 lines going out. So we'll keep it simple. Alright, so now let's finish up the legs on the bottom. Right here, I'm going to extend it a little bit, and then right on the bottom here, I'm going to draw 1 dome shape and close it off. And then for the foot itself, I'm going to extend it, Just kind of come down, and this side's gonna go out a little bit more, and then come down, and then close it. And for the details here, I'm just gonna draw one line across, and then two lines in the middle. Alright, so same thing on the other side. Draw two lines down and close it with a dome shape. Close the bottom. Extend the line. Down, and this one's gonna go out a little bit more. Close it. Same thing here. One line across and then two lines in the center. And that is it for this Tahu. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.